All right, welcome back, Woodhounds. You will not believe what is going on today. I'm up here at my neighbor's, and we are going to drop some trees. And when I say we, I mean me and my new best friend. You all probably know this guy, Tony.
In the wood yard.
In the wood yard, but today he's in this wood yard. Well, not really a wood yard. We're just,
well,
it might be by the time the day is over with.
That's
though.
true.
We have quite a few trees that we're going to be bringing down, and this guy is going to be showing off his skills of dropping trees because I don't have very many.
Remember, I'm an amateur.
And it's one of those things where I always like to tell people, if you're not confident, don't do it. And, you know, my confidence isn't that high on some of these, but this guy has got the tools, the gadgets, and the knowledge that he's going to bring them down.
Well, I wouldn't know that, but we'll give it a try.
All right, so, Tony, are you ready?
I'm ready.
So here are the first two. One already is down leaning, and then another one right behind it. So Tony, what are you thinking?
Well, we'll try to drop this one here just a little bit and see if it shakes it off that top, which I don't know if it will or won't, but we'll get it at least on the ground, and then we'll push this one into it and hopefully knock that down.
Nice.
And then with your tractor, we'll just hook on the butt and pull them out.
All right, well, that sounds like a good plan to me. Okay. So this thing, it just digs right in, huh?
Yes.
You don't even need a little...
You can sometimes put a notch in, but on these, since they're dead, they just stick right in.
Almost.
Almost, but that one branch.
Yep. And that's usually all it takes.
And now we just use the tractor.
Yep.
If you didn't have a tractor, you could use this. Still.
Yep. Still hung up. So this next one here, again, we have a pretty good chance of it getting hung up, but we're gonna try to, well, Tony is gonna try drop them right over there and maybe clear the canopies.
Well, we shall see.
Okay, so next on the agenda, two dead ones right here. And what is the official name of this thing?
It's called a tree pusher.
Just a tree pusher. That's nice.
There's a couple names that it goes by, but everyone knows it as a tree pusher.
The tree pusher. So we've run into a bit of a problem on this tree, our first major problem tree. I'll have Tony explain to you what's happening here.
We had to go to plan B.
We had to go to plan B.
I didn't take into account that it was so soggy. Usually I carry a 2x6 that I put underneath there, and I forgot that, so it just sunk straight down, so I'm not getting any leverage.
No push.
Yeah.
Everything's just, the push is going into the ground.
That's it.
So what he's done is we hooked up a rope, and he's got that going over to that tree, and we're gonna once again use the coyote to pull this bad boy over. Boom.
All right, done.
Another one bites the dust. Another one down. Once again, but that's what we're dealing with. Anytime you're in these close quarters like this, that happens. All right.
Get the tractor.
Look at that. 1, 2, 3, all laying right next to each other. Nice work.
Yes, sir.
Nice job. Jeez, that thing, yeah. That pusher makes a difference. All right, so we are back here in my wood yard now.
Yep.
And we've completed all the trees up at my neighbor's that we need to take down. And we also, as a bonus, Tony took down this big dead pine that you just saw. So, Tony, I, again, cannot thank you enough. First,
no problem.
right off the bat, that is one thing that, that pusher tool, extremely useful. That thing was amazing. I could not believe that.
I agree with you. For a single person operation, it really helps out a
Yeah.
lot.
And again, you know, this is the one thing that I've always mentioned on my channel, and I don't have any problem with it, saying that I just am not comfortable felling trees like what we were doing. So that's why a couple weeks ago I was talking with you about something, and then you offered to come over, and I was like, oh, well, that would be awesome.
Yeah, your exact words. When can you come
Yeah,
immediately?
when? But where have you been?
Well, after retirement, I was like you. I was not comfortable dropping trees.
Yeah.
And, you know, anything that was down was great, but I needed to get my confidence, and you do it by doing. And I took some chainsaw classes, level 1, level 2 chainsaw classes, where they actually teach you, they take you out into the woods and you cut trees.
And you've learned the notches, all the felling techniques.
Right. Yep. The plunge cut is the one that they taught us, and it works very good for control. The hinge, you know, all of that. So, and we've been, now that I've been working too with Chris in the wood yard, we've done a lot of trees as well. So every tree is a little different.
So you're putting your skills to use and continuing to...
Absolutely. The other thing is having options like we did today. Some of those trees weren't easy to take down. You almost know that they're going to get hung up.
Yeah.
I like doing it now when there's no leaves, because it even gets worse when there's leaves on the trees and everything gets... But to have some other options, like when we got hung up, to be able to use the rope with the tractor, or if not, a portable winch to pull the tree down or move it over, because you definitely don't want to leave a snag up. It's dangerous, somebody walking or... Yeah,
I think we actually use all of those techniques. The tree pusher, we pulled one down with the rope, we pulled one down to the ground with the rope that was hung up. But, yeah, and that's the thing with that situation up there is the canopies are so tight, the trees are so close.
That's it. You're guaranteed to snag them or get them on.
Yep.
So it's just, what's the easiest way now to get them down safely?
They are all now down, and I have a lot of work.
Yeah, you told me that I was going to save you some work, but I think I made you a whole hell of a lot of work.
We have there's a little bit of a mess now, but I prefer that. And again, can't thank you enough. It's
no problem.
All right. Anything else?
I think
Are we going to see you at the Firewood Frenzy?
Yes. Yes, you will.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Once again this year, if you were there last year, if you weren't, and you come this year, you can meet your next best friend, Tony. Your new best friend. Is it the new?
Well, it all depends.
You're old. Yeah,
I'm the old new best friend, you know, because there is a new best friend out there. He's in New Mexico.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right. Well, once again, thank you very much.
You betcha, sir.
All right. And all of you, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Stay safe. Have fun.
And it doesn't cut itself. Oh.
Be cool.
Be cool.